Hello friends, welcome to my kitchen. There are different ways of using paneer to cook up something mouth-watering and delicious recipes. And so today I'm gonna show you one of the easiest recipe to turn paneer into a delightful dish, which is paneer cutlets. Here are some veggies I've taken for making cutlet. We'll start by heating up some oil. Add finely chopped ginger. Saute it for a minute. Next we'll add finely chopped chilies, green chilies, some finely chopped onions. We'll cook the onions for 1 minute as we don't want to cook it properly. Next I'm gonna add some finely chopped capsicums or bell peppers, some finely chopped carrots. You can also add here yellow as well as red capsicum. We'll saute these vegetables for 2 minutes and not more than that, as for this recipe we have to leave all the vegetables a little bit uncooked. And so now our veggies are ready. We'll just turn off the flame and rest it until it cools down. So here I have taken 200 grams of paneer, which I have mashed it with my hands. You can also grate it if you want. I have here 3 boiled potatoes. You can mash it or grate it as I am doing. Here goes the last one. Add the grated potatoes in the paneer. Now it's time to add all the spices. I'm taking here 1 tablespoon of amchur powder or dry mango powder, 1 tablespoon of garam masala and 1 tablespoon of chaat masala. Also some corn flour for binding and some salt to taste. Some chopped mint leaves. If you don't have mint leaves, you can also add some finely chopped coriander leaves. And now time to add all the veggies we cooked before. Now get your hands dirty and mix all the ingredients properly. If you need, take a little bit of oil in your palm and now let's shape these cutlets. You can give many kinds of shape with a cookie cutter, a heart shape, a star shape. I'm just making here normal round shape. Smoothen out the edges from all the sides and shape the other ones like that. And so my cutlets are ready. I'm taking here all-purpose flour, add some salt and some water and make a smooth batter out of it. It has to be a pouring consistency of a batter. This is the right consistency of the batter. Also I have some toasted breadcrumbs. Take a cutlet, dip it in the batter and now nicely roll it in the breadcrumbs. Same procedure for the other cutlets as well. So now this is ready. All that is left is to fry these paneer cutlets. So I have heated some oil here. We'll place the cutlets one by one. Be careful and be gentle while placing it. Fry them till you get a nice golden brown color. And so now our cutlets are ready. We'll remove it gently and place it in a kitchen towel. Crunchy from the outside, soft from the inside, our paneer cutlets are ready to serve. It smells so yummy, such a mouth-watering recipe. You can serve this with ketchup or green chutney. Also you can serve this as a cutlet sandwich or a wrap or a roll, and also you can serve it as a hot snacks in your parties. So what you're waiting for? Go ahead and try this out, and also do not forget to subscribe my channel. Till then, see you later. Bye bye.